Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, hey, my name is Tana and welcome to my circus. Halloween weekend is upon us and I'm getting ready to go to a Halloween type event, so I'm gonna have you guys get ready with me and see what I'm going to be doing with my face. I think I'm gonna do kind of a half pumpkin face sugar skull thing. The event that I'm going to is a Day of the Dead inspired event, and so I know my first ever tutorial I ever did on YouTube was a Day of the Dead sugar skull, and I didn't want to do that again. I really wanted to do sorry, Jesus, so much excitement. I really wanted to do a half pumpkin face. So I'm gonna leave the gore out of this one. I'm not gonna have any blood or cuts or anything like that. Just half pumpkin face, half glam on the other side. Pretty simple. So basically, if that is something that you are interested in seeing, you wanna hang out with me, you wanna get ready with me, then go ahead and stick around. Sorry, I am knocking things over. I do want to touch on my giveaway. I do have a giveaway going on until Halloween night. I will link all of the description below, everything that's in it, how you enter. Very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and then leave me a comment below on any of my last 3 videos. So this video, the video before, and the video before. Just basically, and you don't have to leave me a comment on all 3 videos. Please don't do that. Just one is fine. But all you have to do is just leave a comment letting me know why you want the makeup. But for those of you that have been here and playing along since the beginning of my Halloween series, I do have an update. I have an update on the giveaway. I'll be right back. So to bring everybody else up to speed that is new here, what I am giving away really quickly, Beauty Blender. My favorite eyeliner, which is a Pretty Vulgar ink pot, a full bottle of Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, my favorite lipstick from Too Faced in the Melted Matte Lipstick in the color Suck It, and I'm also giving away the Morphe 35V palette. So today, I actually went and did a makeup haul. I went to Morphe, I went to Sephora, and I bought myself some things. And I bought you guys some more things, so I added on to the giveaway. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, y'all would think, oh, that's enough. No, I added more things. What did I add to it? I added a Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip scrub because it is my favorite. I use it all the time, and I was like, why didn't I put this in there? I use this every freaking day, like literally the best. And it is in the flavor Marshmallow, which is my favorite one that I have. So I will also be throwing in a Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip scrub. I also got the, from the holiday collection from Morphe, I got the Glitter Fever their eyeshadow toppers. I bought myself one as well, but basically it is 3 liquid eyeshadows. They're very shimmery. It's in a black shade, a bronze shade, and a beautiful gold shade. So basically that is what is in this box right here. There's 3 of them in there for you guys. And the last thing that I can't believe I didn't put this in my favorites giveaway. Your own jar of Bum Bum cream, or Boom Boom cream, sorry. Don't hang me out to dry there, Boom Boom cream. So I added those 3 things to it. So yes, the giveaway just got a little bit bigger, so there are more things to win. So anyway, I will stop rambling. Let's go ahead and jump on into this tutorial. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go ahead and jump right on into this tutorial. All right, so pumpkin face. One thing that I realized, I don't have any orange face paint. I have all the other orange face paints in the world, but I don't have, or not orange, have all the other color face paints in the world, but I don't have orange, so we're gonna have to make orange. I do have this guy right here from Ben Nye. It's the Ben Nye Primary Cream palette, so I'm gonna have to go in and use the red and the orange and make my own. Red and the orange, stop saying orange, red and yellow to make orange. So that's what I'm going to do. First, I'm gonna start off with priming my skin just because I'm very dry. These paints can be very drying. So I'm gonna be going into the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my face. Make sure that I'm all nice and moisturized. That way when people see me in public, they don't think I look disgusting and flaky and see all my dry patches. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and mark off my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and take just a normal black eyeliner. If I can find it in this mess I have over here. I had it and I don't know where I put it. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with just a plain black eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark off my face where I want it to start and where I want it to end. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of mark it off. I want it to be a little bit jagged. I do want it to kind of come around here. So it's not exactly like half face. All this is gonna be pumpkin, and then I'm gonna have this little hint of glam because your girl still needs to have a little bit of highlighter on there. So that's what we're gonna do. So what we are now going, y'all should see what I just tried to do. I tried to put the lid on my eyeliner and I took, yeah, that doesn't work. So let's go ahead and get crafty with these paints. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out. I've never used these before, but I'm hoping that they're as good as the wolf paints. The wolf paints are amazing because they dry down matte and you don't have to worry about like those really greasy paints, but Ben Nye is really good. I paid $30 for this, so it better work good. So we've got red, we've got yellow. This is what it looks like. Ooh. So we've got red and yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and try to mix these together, and we're gonna see if we can make us an orange. So I kind of mixed them together. They are cream paint, so I'm hoping that they kind of maybe mix together and we'll make an orange. It's looking a little orangey, so this might work. We'll just keep on oranging the face. Alright, so we're looking a little bit orange. I did not go all the way around my eye because we're going to make this black. We're also going to be doing the mouth black, and I did go down my neck a little bit because I am going to kind of make like a cute little jack-o'-lantern collar here out of it. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brown eyeliner. I have this one. I don't usually have brown eyeliners, but I got this in a BoxyCharm, so we're just going to use it anyway. So we're going to go ahead and try this bad boy out. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to take it and I'm going to draw the little brown lines down my face just to kind of create that little the little pumpkin lines that you normally get like on your pumpkins, because they're not completely orange all the time. So we're just gonna create little lines going down our face like so. Alright, so I went ahead and drew on some brown lines there with my eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush and I'm just gonna kind of like diffuse this out. And I don't want them to be so prominent. I want them to look a little bit more like, you know, like a little bit faded. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take like a deep orange eyeshadow. I'm using the discontinued Morphe 35B palette, which is this guy right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go into a dark orange here and just kind of mix it with a little bit of red and orange, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of outline these brown lines just to add a little bit of dimension. Kind of like so. We're starting to look like a pumpkin. So we've got like our lines on our face that kind of makes us look like we have those lines, kind of like a pumpkin has. So we're gonna go in and start outlining everything else on here. What I would like to do is I'm gonna go into my Wolf FX. I like to have a little bit more of like a watery based paint instead of a cream paint for this one. Makes it a lot easier to work with. So that line that we cut off with the eyeliner there, I'm going to go ahead and go in with that with the black paint here. Go ahead and swirl that around, and I'm gonna go in and just kind of make the line a little bit more prominent, and then I'm actually gonna like cut it off and kind of make like some cracks and things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and foundation this part of my face. I got a little carried away with myself here, and I just thought about it and I was like, oh, I should probably put my foundation on that part. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my regular foundation, nothing, not a big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my beauty blender. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of make some like little cracks and things. Alright, so we've got kind of like cracks going into this part of the face. I'm actually going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to actually take some black eyeshadow and I'm going to run it along the inside of the line on the pumpkin side of the face, kind of to create like a shadow type of effect. So it doesn't matter what black eyeshadow you use, just some type of black eyeshadow. And I'm going to go ahead and just take this and just kind of run it along in here. And then I'm going to take a big old blending brush and just kind of diffuse this together with some orange. Alright, next on to the fun stuff. We're going to go ahead and start making our eyes and our mouth and all of that fun stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of block off this eye. And I'm actually going to come up on top of my brow. Go ahead and just fill this all in. Alright, so we kind of have our eye filled in. I'm going to go ahead and start doing a little bit of the mouth. So the mouth we're going to do kind of just like this spiky little smile looking thing here. So I'm going to start off with a black lipstick just because I know that the paints can be very, very drying on your lips and I need to be able to do this for a couple hours. So I'm going to take black lipstick and put this on first. Black lipstick is on. I'm going to go ahead and take the paints and we're going to make a smile like so. So now we're gonna take the paintbrush and we're gonna just start flicking back and forth, just kind of making like these crazy little details to the mouth. And it can just be really, really messy. It doesn't have to be like perfect little triangles. I'm going for more of like a crazy kind of scarecrow Blair Witch Project craziness. And so there's our pumpkin mouth, and then we are going to go ahead and do our little pumpkin nose. But I want to do my pumpkin nose kind of like a skeleton, so I'm going to start here and we are going to bring this up on both sides. So we've got our little pumpkin nose. So now we're kind of looking like this pumpkin skull craziness, whatever is going on. A little bit creepy. I'm gonna go ahead and draw lines down my neck. So this part's a little bit of a mess. This was experimental, so don't mind it, but we're focused on the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and really quickly go through my makeup half. Nothing too special. I'm gonna do on that side just my regular, everyday makeup. Anything that makes you feel comfortable as far as makeup goes on that side of your face. So let's go ahead and warp speed through that. Alright you guys, that is it. That is my full Pumpkin Man tutorial. I have to hurry up and get out of here because I got somewhere to be. Otherwise, that is it. Thank you for following along with me. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully this was a cool, quick, last minute tutorial that you could do for yourself. And almost happy Halloween, and do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. That way you could win all of the awesome things in my giveaway. Otherwise, that is it you guys. Thank you for following along, and I will see you guys in my next spooky tutorial. Bye guys.